Yes, guys, it is our first annual, and yes, it will be annual, RecTech Fest. We are here in beautiful Augusta, Georgia. The weather couldn't be any better.
It's gorgeous.
I'm proud of Augusta for making the weather this fine.
Perfect. It made it perfect.
But yes, it's February 1st. It is our big announcement. We're excited to have you here. I don't know, would you say about 100 people behind us right now?
At least 100.
At least 100. More people are coming in. You guys can probably see the cars rolling in behind us and the golf carts dropping people off. So it is a huge, huge day for us.
Guys, this is our Matador. It's a 304 stainless steel pot here. This base breaks down for easy maneuverability. You can take this camping with you. You can use a big propane tank or a small propane tank. It's a great pan. This is 304 stainless steel, and it comes with carrying bags as well. Anything else you want to say about this?
No, I would really, the competition here does not, a lot of this stuff does not come standard with the competition. With this one, we included the adapter hose, we included the windscreen. You're not going to have to pay extra for that. We included the 2 bags that come with it. This thing is bad to the bone. $199 delivered to your door. The next competition is like $250, and you have to put tax and shipping. This is the most bang for your buck, especially in the walk fire cookers.
$199 to your door.
And then, of course, guys, you know about the ByldSide. It is our direct fire cooker. There's only one piece of metal between the meat and the heat. Of course, it comes with that ceramic ignition system. You can see that barrel is porcelain coated, just like a lot of the other kettle cookers. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It's got a 15-pound hopper, but it's more of your direct fire cooker.
And this grill will get to 700 degrees for a pellet grill. That's just
absolutely. And with the added grill grates, it makes it an absolutely unstoppable machine. This is my Monday through Friday, my weekday workhorse, as we like to call it.
That's
absolutely.
Right.
And then, of course, you got the portable Trailblazer. Now the legs are folded up right now, but you can carry it around just like luggage. It's only about 95 pounds. This comes with an amazing bumper-to-bumper 2-year warranty. It's got a 15-pound hopper, just like the ByldSide, but this is the pellet grill. It has that smart grill technology controller, the PID algorithm built into it.
Working from your phone.
It also has the pellet Wi-Fi connectivity. It comes with 2 meat probes. That's the dual meat probes on it. You can turn your grill up, down, on, or off right there from the RecTech Grills app.
Friendly. Okay. Moving on, we got the Stampede. Stampede has a 30-pound hopper, stainless steel body. It fits a 30-pound turkey with the height, stainless steel drip pan, stainless steel deflector shield, stainless steel fire pot that's indestructible. It's got the PID smart grill technology, and you can operate this from your phone as well.
This one is just sharp, right? If you get this bad boy built in to your patio, outdoor, kitchen, the lines on this thing, this is a sexy grill. Sexy. 2-year warranty, $899 right to your door. What? A little pat on the butt for that one.
Our flagship grill, the RecTech 700. Go ahead, Joe.
Oh man, hands down the best grill in the pellet grill scene right now. 40-pound hopper. It's got 304 stainless steel throughout the whole grill, but the 6-year warranty is what put this over the top, right? The industry-leading 6-year warranty. Guys, I can see myself in this shiny stainless steel. I can use it as a mirror, but no,
it's not going to stay like that long.
No, absolutely. It's going to get some great, I like to call it patina.
That's right.
When you use it, you're going to get a little bit of grease on it, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. But no, this grill also looks amazing built in. I've seen a lot of built-in examples here lately. And this thing is just, God, it looks so good.
And you can customize this, like with this example here. You can add a competition cart, front shelf, a side smoke box, and a lot of people even move the smoke, the towel ring to the side and things like that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Add to.
But no, I absolutely love my 700. I started with the 680, and we have the 700 now. But these things are bad to the bone. Again, the ByldSide is my weekday workhorse, but of course, if I'm smoking anything long, low, and slow, or anything really, really big, I'm cooking this.